Good morning, everyone.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir,
Welcome
sir.
to all the people attending this session. And this is a great initiative by Vestralex, and especially Mr. Keshav. Wish you all Happy New Year. तो मैं कभी हिंदी बोलेगा कभी इंग्लिश बोलेगा बांग्ला तो नहीं चलेगा ना
No.
Purely Bengali. Okay, so I am mainly practicing in taxation laws, and I am elected bar council member for 3 consecutive times. This time I am the vice chairman of bar council of West Bengal. I am also General Secretary of Commercial Tax Bar Association, Kolkata itself. So, in profession, I am connected with these 3 organizations till date. The activity of mixing socially with others. What is socialization? I think it is very clear to the participant present here. Next is the process of learning to behave in a way that is acceptable to the society. This starts from the very beginning of the life. Preschool starts the process of socializing. The parents, school teachers, and the close relatives guide the children's behavior to the others, that means to the society. Now, next, you see, what's the connection with the lawyers, with these people? Say clients. In our colonial language, we say clients are Bhagavan. That means clients आता तो हम लोग का पेट चलते हैं. So we have to depend on clients. They come to us. We have to hear properly what is their problems, and we have to do as per law to guide them, and we'll try to solve their problem. So first is clients, then police. As a law-abiding person, everyone has to depend on the support of police as well as the advocates in case of any unlawful activities. हम जानते पुलिस का कोई प्रॉब्लम होता है. We found in newspapers, in news bulletins, that general people faces problems while they are in police station or in custody. So we the lawyers, we have to discuss with the police and to solve the problems. This is our duty. It is a duty to the society. Journalists, the publication of the latest news which help the general people to protect themselves from mishappenings in future. Lawyers are true friends of the journalist by providing them with the facts of the cases and the decisions of the courts. Next is legal professor. The professors are the guru, teacher of the subjects they teach. The students of law gathers knowledge from them, which help them to their future activities, not only to the profession, but also it helps to the society. Other lawyers, actually, हम सब जानते हैं, someone is practicing taxation, someone is in criminal, someone is in civil. So, in case the lawyers specialized in one subject, The other lawyers, if I get a case on civil matters, so I refer it to civil lawyers. And if they get anything, they can send me to, in case of taxation, they send to us, to me. So in this way, a bonding between the lawyers, it will help both of us. And the clients, if any clients have full faith on me, he will come to me. जी आप बोल दीजिए किसका पास जाना है. Then I'll refer it to some lawyers in civil matters or criminal matters. In this way, हम लोग का एक तो bonding भी हो जाता है and it will help the society also. And next is law students. Law students, that is the students, from the very beginning of any college where the students are taught. So we send our children to the law colleges. So we want that our students would get a good lesson from the colleges. So we have to choose. Some law colleges are there in India. If they are selling their degrees, which is not good for the society. In our West Bengal, we are trying to control those colleges. We check their actual feasibility, whether they have passed or not, whether the colleges are selling their certificates. So this is a process going in, I think, throughout India. We have to check it. This is bad for the society. So we encourage the students from those colleges which are recognized by Bar Council, and regular classes are going on there. Next is mentors. The junior lawyers tried their best to get knowledge from the seniors by attending seniors at the chambers. The seniors are the mentors, and the good mentor help the juniors to act for the society in addition to their professional work. Association. A newcomer to the profession should join the bar association where they practice. A bar association helped a lot to a member in mixing with those who are unknown to him or her. Within a very short period, they become friends, brothers or sisters. It not only helped them in their practicing life, but they became a family after some years. In this way, they socialize themselves. Other legal actors, sometimes the experts from other aspects are helpful to the newcomers in the field, such as professors, doctors, engineers. We gather knowledge from them, which help us in specializing cases. In this way, we gather knowledge and also spread our legal knowledge to the society. Just this PPT, it is made by my daughter. She's an engineer. I have no knowledge of this. So I gather knowledge from her how to make this PPT. And she came to know what I actually want. In this way, an engineer and a lawyer joined hands, and this PPT presentation is presented here. Next. Like, why do lawyers need to network? Please follow the PPT and see the last line, that is, stay up to date with latest happenings in the legal field. I am the founder general secretary of Tax Advocates Association of Bengal, that is TAB, commonly known as TAB. During this pandemic situation, which starts from March 20, when we all are bound to stay at home, we never stop ourselves in sharing thoughts, that is sharing knowledge of the latest law changes during this period. We invite different speakers from different parts of India, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, and such places, to speak at these webinars organized by TAB. At least 300 to 400 attendants enjoy these webinars. We organize at least 50 to 60 webinars on GST and income tax during the pandemic period. Not only our members, but we found participants from different communities. We organized 2 webinars inviting specialized doctors who shared their knowledge, and in this way they help us and the society also to restrain themselves as per the doctor's advice. In this way, our society has benefited by the network system. It should be taken in mind that an advocate cannot advertise in any newspaper. It is not permissible under the Advocates Act. But through this network system, the advocates reach different people, such as if anyone in this group who is not an advocate can easily find a lawyer who is practicing either in taxation law or in civil law or criminal law without any advertisement. This is the facility of a lawyer. Through this network system. And other points I think I have already discussed. Say mentors, clients, these are already there. And next. This is also, you see, I think the points are very common to the participant present today. What I prefer that the newcomers to the profession should join or participate in seminars, symposiums, workshops on law subjects. Our association, which consists of more than 1,000 members throughout West Bengal, organize different seminars at different parts of West Bengal. A huge number of delegates attend those seminars and they gather knowledge from that. On last 12 December 21, we organized a grand seminar on GST at JW Marriott, Kolkata, where we invited learned speakers from Delhi as well as Mumbai. So many dignitaries attended the seminars. On every foundation day of TAB, we encourage the children of our members who have passed the LLB exam. We honored the student who recently passed that LLB and encourage them with a memento and some gifts, some books on law, which encourage them for their future life they may in practice. And you see the meeting of lawyers, meeting of people, professors, students, police, journalists. I have already discussed this. And emailing and cold emailing and following up, internet working in different law firms. This is one point. The students, generally the advocates, they are not employee. He or she started practicing being a junior of a senior. Advocates generally started practice without any pocket money. So from where they will get cases? Here comes the socialization. They have to connect different association, be it school, college, or any cultural or social associations. They have to make contacts, socialize, and this is how others will be aware of them practicing. And in this way, he or she may get professional opportunities. So I think it's a really important factor to socialize in the legal world. Say, West Bengal government, considering this situation, they are providing rupees 1,000 per month for a period of 12 months to a newcomer to the law profession. This is, I think, only West Bengal government provides to the newcomers. This is a government policy. It's very good. And it is seen now that if anyone comes to the profession, at least 5 to 6 years takes to get him or herself in this practice, settle in this practice. But we found, being a bar council member, that lawyers generally they prefer service as law officer to different law firms as well as to different companies. So the number of practicing lawyers is reducing. This is a problem we face now, being the representative of the bar council. And see this, respect the law, respect people and their boundaries, network, land building, be an active party, exchange stories, listen and ask questions. These are the common things, what I say, it is very clear to all the present, all the participants present here. I, being connected with so many associations, I am General Secretary of Rabindra Bharati Society, Jorashanko Thakurbari. I am Vice President of Mahabodhi Society of India. It's a Buddhist organization throughout the world. And I am General Secretary of Tax Advocacy Association and Commercial Tax Bar Association. And also, I am Joint Secretary of Hindu School Alumni Association. The school I left long back. I am also connected with this school. So in this way, I am connected with so many organizations. And I must say that I got connections through these organizations, and it also helps my profession. So I request all the newcomers and not the newcomers, all the advocates also, please be connected with different organizations, social organizations, and it will help you to increase your profession also. Lawyers only depend on the connections, and the connections, if it encourages, if it increases, then it will surely a support to his profession. Next. See, this is some nuggets to remember. It's purely it's near. Networking is more than farming than it's hunting. Networking is an enrichment program. So this is my suggestions, not a speech, not a, no, I am not a teacher. I am just an advocate and I am practicing taxation laws. So it is my suggestion to everyone here that do something for the society in addition to your professional work. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Your class on networking and that too coupled with social networking is really amazing. And we are able to just to digest what you were able to say on the screens. And we faced many problems regarding this in this pandemic situation. Can you say more, throw a light on the how networking in pandemic situations?
See, in this pandemic situation, just now, what we are doing, you are at Delhi, Keshavji at Delhi, someone is Hyderabad, someone is, but we are in a single scheme, sharing our knowledge.
Yes.
That is what we learn from this pandemic. I appreciate the situation we face. Say myself, I was not connected with this system. Before this pandemic, I have no knowledge about this. Now I can use this and I am speaking here with all of you. Somebody from here, I find someone, she's not here, she's out of India. She's enjoying this. So this is the benefit of this pandemic. Though we lost a lot of friends, lot of relatives of us during this situation, but we learned so many things from this situation. I am a practicing taxation law. So, and the lawyers, now they are appearing before the court virtually. I never heard virtually before, but everyone is now very comfortable with this. They are appearing virtually. So it is a plus point. So many minus points are there, but this is a plus point. So, but we never want this pandemic situation. We want physical appearance, everything. We fight for that. Just a week before, we met Chief Justice of High Court and we requested him that the district advocates, they are not accustomed with this virtual hearing and systems were also not there. So we request him that please, my lord, you try the physical hearing. But the situation is so grave, so bad in Calcutta. So we fear, we forced us to stay at our home. Yesterday, there was a program at Rabindra Bharati Society, Jorashako Thakurbari, as I am secretary. It's a nice program of Foundation Day, 75th year of celebration. Governor and so many eminent persons, they concentrated, the Consul General of different Japan, Italy, Bangladesh, they have all given their consent. They will come. But we postponed that only due to this. But what we did for last 2 years, we made webinars, we made virtual programs on Rabindranath Tagore. Not only Rabindranath Tagore, on cultural programs. And so many people throughout world, they join. So this is the plus point. They never visit that place.
Yes.
Someone from Sweden, someone from USA, someone from Japan, they never come to this place, Rabindranath Tagore's house, but they joined. And that is the benefit of this pandemic. We never do this before pandemic. In case of any cultural program or any seminar or such, can you, Mr. Memory Somnath ji, आप बोलिए कि आप जहां बैठे हैं अभी वही कोई प्रोग्राम होता तो सिद्धार्थ मुखर्जी जाते नहीं जाते?
No.
मैं कलकत्ता में कुछ प्रोग्राम होगा, आप आते हैं ना, साई कुमार जी आते नहीं आते? बट अभी हम लोग सब चला आता है एक ही जगह में, एक टीम में चला आता है, हम लोग बातचीत करता है, कोई सीखता है. हम तो साई कुमार जी से सुना है, बहुत सुना है. He's a good speaker. He's a professor. I am not a speaker. I am an organizer. I can arrange so many things, but I cannot speak well. So that I arrange good speakers for our association.
Thank you, sir. This is a very, very enlightening.
My suggestion, Mukhopadhyay, you also spoke. Don't require any public speaking classes. Sir, my suggestion is, as you are associated with various associations, very good and spoke very well, very well. I am quite impressed with your speaking. There is no experience required. You are a good speaker also. Only my suggestion to all of you is, kindly write to the Bar Council of India as well as Chief Justice and PMO that in last 5-year law course, 1 year should be practical training. Practical training, 1 year. Each junior should be taken from magistrate courts, sessions court, tribunals to High Court to Supreme Court. Either 4 weeks, 3 weeks or 1 month. Last year should be totally practical instead of moot court. This suggestion may be forwarded by you, Mukhopadhyay Paisa, to associations, to this one can, so we can make this profession much better platform, which is mostly beneficial to the litigants. This is my suggestion, sir, humble suggestion.
Good suggestion. It's a very good suggestion. Actually, the professional, that is the chartered accountants, they have to attend the seminars for their purpose. They are getting some numbers which is beneficial for them, but in our practice there is no such system. It's a good suggestion. I'll try. I cannot say I am not alone. The committee is there, so I have to discuss in our Bar Council meeting.
For the because you are a member of Bar Council also, suggestion will go a long way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So, sir, there is another query, sir. Actually, lot of inquisitiveness with respect to these free seminars and webinars that you just mentioned. So, someone has also asked that please share name or link of sites where such seminars can be attended, sir, whenever you guys organize. Definitely much bigger than ours, but definitely it will be great.
Actually, I am tax practitioner, so I can give you the link www.tab.org.in. So those who are interested in taxation laws, they can enter this, they can join this website, and they can have some knowledge about us.
Great, sir. I will also try to put it on the group once it can be done. So, Tanvi Pandey wants to ask a question. Tanvi ji, please go ahead. Please unmute yourself and ask.
Hello, everybody. Sir, I am a final year law student. So what Sai sir said, I very much agree with that. But, I wanted to ask that who shall be responsible for guiding the students. As to like in personally speaking, in my college we are given a 6 months training time, but in there some students do not get the opportunity to work under advocates or law firms, and some just to, sit idly. So I am asking, who shall be responsible for it? Like the college shall be responsible for the training, or the certain advocate or judges or the firm should be responsible for it? As everybody said, it is a long way to go. I agree with that, but can you put some light on it?
This, this is can be very easily done, but law awareness now a special department is there in each and every state. Like in Maharashtra Legal Aid Services Authority. So they can. One more thing again here, unfortunately, there is a discrimination. Like, madam, even the National Law College, 2 to 4 students are being trained by High Court judges. In Bombay, I have seen the division bench, single bench, there 2 or 4 students, they come to the court early morning, they interact with the judge in the chamber, then come to the court and sit throughout the day, then make notes, and again evening interact. And I am told that they are paid some stipend also of 10,000 rupees. Why to these privileged ones only? It should be allowed. So this is through Bar Council of India and Bar Council, respective state bar councils, and of course High Court, Supreme Court, and this legal aid services. That is their awareness. So they can very easily implement it. And in academic year, 5 year course, at least 1 year, we practically put them to all courts. 2 weeks to 3 weeks or maximum 1 month each in all courts. So they'll practically see what is happening in the court. They'll be sometime. And also, I'm of the opinion, even for judges' posters also, judges appointing themselves, indirectly dynasty system is going on, which is undeniable. That there should be like UPSC and all, IAS, IPS, there should be a national exam, and only meritorious students should be appointed to the judiciary with experience. Minimum 3 year experience at the bar should be compulsory. This is also my suggestion. So definitely we all take initiative. I am ready to prepare a letter for that. I'll give it to Mr. Keshav, which he will circulate. Mukhopadhyay sir, kindly you put before your association. Suggestion may go a long way. If it takes shape, nothing better than that.
No. Thank you, Mr. I'll surely I'll take steps. Please, Keshav, you'll forward this to me. I'll take steps. I'll try.
Yes.
Thank you so much to Siddharth sir and to Sai sir for conducting these classes today, for taking the time out on a Sunday. It's a very personal day. Yet, sir, we're very, very grateful to both of you, sir. And Yagna sir, please, I formally hand it over back to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, one and all, for sparing this precious time on Sunday and taking a class for us.
Either taxation, in taxation, once a client is always a client.
Yeah. That is true. It is true. But आज तो ये लाभ हुआ हमारा, मेरा तो बहुत लाभ हुआ जब मैं साई कुमार जी से मिले. And we will, क्या बोले, एक साथ में काम करने सके हम.
जी.
We'll do. हम लोग एक साथ में fight करेगा for the lawyers. This is the plus point today's meeting.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And it is true. केशव जी and सोमनाथ जी, हम लोग तो पहचानते नहीं किसी को. आज सब हम लोग दोस्त हो गया, दादा भाई दादा हो गया, सब हम तो एक साथ हो गया हम लोग. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. Pranam to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
I request every one of all of you to join. थोड़ा जिसमें पैसा नहीं मिलता है वो भी काम करने के लिए. That is society, or do something for the society. हम जो करता है इससे पैसा नहीं आता है, पैसा जाता है. But I am very happy, and the evening time when I spent there, I get बहुत अच्छा fuel मिलता है मेरा, जो मेरा profession में बहुत काम में लगता है. So thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
sir. So lots of thank you messages coming from everyone who is attending. Bharata Lakshmi ma'am is also here. She's also said thank you. Abhinav ji has also said very good orator. So sir, please, now next time around, sir, I hope you will never start with I am not a very good orator or anything. So
Yes,
Siddhartha
I'm
is
not.
getting lot of
It's,
validation.
everyone who are present here, ये हम सब जो बोलते हैं तो इतना अच्छा नहीं बोलता है जो साई कुमार जी बोलते हैं, तो फैक्ट। ऐसा केशव जी बोलते हैं, कितना सुंदर बोलते हैं, सुनने में अच्छा लगता है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
Please come to Calcutta. Please visit
Sure.
Rabindranath Tagore's house.
I used to come.
Please visit.
We'll come.
Contact me. I'll help you to visit the museum and everything.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.